Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. And I'm so excited to get all of the feedback for the bras, for my brand. I am so excited. And so I put the little Instagram story clip for you so that I can get as much information from you guys. And like I had mentioned before, that's one of my earrings. I had mentioned that please tell me what country you are in. I understand that the bra sizes would be very normal to you from the country that you're in, but I need to compare it so that I make sure that we produce the correct numbers for all of you. There will be half cup sizes, and we also have bras for my Fumi Nation. Well, actually for everybody, as a matter of fact. I just say Fumi Nation because you're my family, you know, for my cancer survivor warrior sisters. 110% is close to my heart because I lost my 2 aunties from breast cancer, and I always said I would do something. So we have all sizes for my beautiful limousine girls. I have you, baby girl. Yes, I do. Okay, the back of this is not working. That's what this is. And I have my water. Yeah, so that's that. What am I wearing? I'm just slouchy today. I'm just wearing like my jeans, corduroy jeans, and I've had this sweater forever. I love it. So why are we here? Oh, darlings, we are here because of you. A lot of you have requested, you said, Fumi, we love your hair. Your hair has grown so much. What do? We'd love for you to do a nighttime routine. And I said, why not? I think a lot of you new Fumi Nation family members don't know that I processed my hair my entire life. I'm 55, and about a year and a half I was introduced the privilege to Hair Studio by ENITAN. ENITAN is a black-owned business. She's a beautiful black woman, and she created Healthy Hair Studio by ENITAN. I'll put the Instagram link below. And I got the opportunity to go over to her flagship store when she first opened. She had been in business for about 10 years. I don't know how, I never found out. And she just really educated me. That's the only way I can explain it about our hair. And she said, for me, there is absolutely nothing like good hair, bad hair. All hair is beautiful. And in this house, Ula uses the products, Maria, my nanny, uses the products, Adrian uses the products, and it's the only product I will ever speak of. My hair has now become part of my brand. I am being identified and recognized by my hair. And so we have the inches conditioned. Genius. Woo! It is like egg white. That's the only way I can describe it. Absolutely fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. And then we have moisture hold. Moisture hold is exactly that, moisture, especially for the colder months, like so. And it's like a cream that melts in your hand. It melts in your hand and it keeps your hair, oh, heaven sent. Mighty moisture. And I use this at night. I use this during the day because we're going to have my bedtime routine. I'm going to show you what I do with my hair when I want to go to bed. So we have the Mighty Moisture, again, really fabulous. And I put that in my hair. I live and I love. And then, my darlings, we have what you call deep follicle treatment. Deep follicle treatment is what got my edges back. Is what got my edges back. It is what got my edges back. I live and I love. And you just circular motions, you just rub it in and it came right back. I had really bad traction alopecia. For those of you that know, you know. It wasn't a joke. And fantastic. You take your inches conditioned and you take your protein defense put it in a bowl and just walk around. When you have the time, that is what you should do. So let us say I've had a whole full day, and it's time for me to go to bed. It became a situation where the hair just really grew and I wasn't comfortable at night. It just felt like I was sleeping on a pillow, on a hairy pillow. And so I began to just do individual plaits. So what I do, let me just comb out the hair so you can see. There you go. I'm getting gray now. And it's kind of sort of exciting. I'm not going to, you'll see it as I comb the hair out, and I'm not going to color the hair. No. I think I'm just going to leave it. I think that's the beauty of it. So I just comb it all out again, and the hair has become so beautiful and soft because of the products. I comb it all the way through. Then I take my tea moisture. See, I just take about that much and I rub that into the hair. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. And it looks white, but don't worry, all of that will melt off. I also put some in the middle. I do that and we're good to go. Okay. I also take Moisture Hold. Again, fabulous. I wash my hair once a week. Yep, once a week. That's all that I do. I comb it through again. Then I take my deep follicle treatment and I put it all over my edges. I even go into the hair a little bit. I put that in. I swear by this. I was going to the airport and I remembered I'd forgotten my deep follicle treatment. I went back. Yeah. I went back. Then I use a brush and I just brush it in. The moisturizer really gets it, as you can see. So I just brush that. And then, my darlings, what do? I just take a little portion like so. Just take that. And I just plait it. Yeah. There you go. Can you see? That's it. There you go. How long does this take? About 30 minutes. So do you see? Yeah. Sometimes I'll put even more Mighty Moisture in the center because it's coarse. So I'll show you now. So I put a little bit more, and then what I do is that I just put it in. There we go. I just moisture it in, and then I comb the hair again, and it just really becomes nice and silky and damp, and then I just plait it. There you go. And it's so thick at the edges because of the blunt cut, so I just tuck it in so that it keeps it from coming out. Let me do one on the side here. There we go. Some Mighty Moisture, and I just put that in. There we go. Look at the comb. No breakage. I live and love it. I live and love. It's the best hair product for me in the world. I've never had a product like this that has really worked with my hair so very quickly, where I saw the results. There you go. And then I just tuck it in to the hair like that. If it's super neat, sometimes I will not even undo the little plaits. I might leave it. So I'm going to turn around. And I love this time. It's my me time to reflect on my day, on what I want to do tomorrow. And I just, you know, it's a moment of gratitude also, you know. There you go. Yeah. And you see, like, the product is still not a problem. Okay, let us continue. I've used so many products throughout my adult life, and nothing like this. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I've never had anything like Mighty Moisture or Moisture Hold. Nothing like it. That's it. And that is it, my darlings. That is how I take care of my hair at night. When I wake up in the morning, I'll put some in front. And sometimes I might even add Mighty Moisture. But what I do for a fact, and maybe I'll show you what I do in the morning routine, I like to have the volume, but then I want the edges to be nice and small, my hair pattern. So I might put a little bit of Mighty Moisture so that those ones will shrink in front, and it really frames the face so beautifully, so beautifully. Then what do? I take a scarf and I just wrap my head. And I'm good to go. And then in the mornings, I will just put my coat on, I put my hood on, leave the scarf on, maybe I'll style it or whatever, and I drop Adrian off for school. And then when I'm ready to, for my showboat, go out or whatever, then I take it all out. And that is it. That is it. And that is how my hair has grown in the year, since January. That's what I do. I hope you enjoyed this updated hair routine, and again, it cannot be any other than my hair studio. But ENITAN, give it to me. Give me my products. Don't forget to use my discount code Fumi, and I think she's got a treat for you guys, so you guys go right ahead and treat yourselves. But this 55-year-old woman that had traction alopecia, I am grateful to you, ENITAN. Thank you so very much. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. So I comb my hair right through. I've realized that when I do this with big teeth combs, it also prevents your hair from breaking. It really does. I have a whole bunch of them here. Then I go in with this one and I just comb it right through. There you go. And then my deep. I go, and that goes real deep. I love that, and it's so soothing. I live and I love. And look, no fallout. No fallout. My God.